I'm back. My mic didn't work before that. I was just signing. Part 2 short coming soon. Yeah. And I'll make a shout out soon. So it's gonna be basically parkour game. I'm just gonna basically put this of my gaming here. But Thanos game hasn't updated, so I can't do that anymore. I will be getting a game as soon as I get my money. I'm probably gonna get the game pass. So yeah, that's all that I wanted to talk about. I'll be posting a short now, and I just wanted to see what I can do for the short. So the short probably come out exactly after this one. Yeah, just see you.